Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. All right, traders, this video is being filmed on Wednesday night for Thursday's trading. That would be June 4th, 2009. Traders, wow, did we get a turnaround in a bunch of markets on Wednesday? We were looking for a little bit more upside in the S&P. Thank goodness for stops, because it turned around and went right down. Stopped us out, but luckily we had an AD at the end of the day to give us some of that back. We also had a decent euro currency trade yesterday, and we jumped out of corn before it could do any damage. So yesterday was just a rough and tumble, boy, a drop-down knockout day. But we are ready now to tell you about something. And traders, it's going to be a quick video, but I wanted to bring something to your attention, and that is something that we've studied and traded many, many times here at the Emini Trading Academy, and that is the two-day rule. Traders, the two-day rule basically is this. When you have a market that's been going up, 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 then suddenly you get a big drop down day, that's day one. Usually you'll get another drop, a big one, down day two. Then the turnaround comes. The turnaround either comes in the afternoon of day two or first thing day three. Boom, away we go. So what we are looking for is a drop tomorrow and then some spot to turn around and start thinking bullish again. The two-day rule. Traders, you'll see this happen many, many times in a bull market. You'll get a two-day pullback. Grains have been in the bull market. They pulled back for one day. Expect them one more day tomorrow. The energies have been in the bull market. They pulled back. The metals pulled back. A lot of markets pulled back. The dollar, which has been going down, pulled up for a day. The euro currency, which has been going up, pulled down for a day. That's all day one. We're expecting all of that to happen again one more day tomorrow, making it day two. Then the turnaround, especially in the indices, likely the currencies and dollar back down. So the two-day rule is in effect for tomorrow. We are going to try to be very nimble about this, take a quick short position, write it down, get out, and then start to look for a spot to get long again so that by Friday, we're positioned for more upside. The two-day rule, traders, I've done many videos about this, I've done many classes about this, and you've seen this work many, many times. So get ready. Don't be afraid of this, traders. The S&P is still above the 200 bar moving average, as is just about every other index out there. The transportation average and the Dow Jones Industrial just kissed it from underneath and then came back down. The one thing that could absolutely ruin our bull party here that we've seen lately is that the Dow Jones did hit the 200 bar and did drop down. Now tomorrow we expect one more drop, as I said, the two-day rule, and right back up. If in fact it just plummets tomorrow and plummets Friday, well then we'll have to take a whole new look at this thing, because then it could actually mean that the Dow Jones failed at the 200. But I don't think it will fail at the 200 bar moving average, because none of the other indices around this globe, nor the US indices, failed when they got to the 200. They all blasted right through. So let's see what happens. We'll play it one day at a time. Our stops are in. Thank goodness for stops. They are your best friend. Make sure you research the two-day rule at our site, looking at our videos. Come on down to the chat rooms and ask me about it. It's www.livewithoscar.com. Hop in the free chat room and ask me about the two-day rule. I'll be more than happy to explain it and illustrate it to you. All right, traders, that's about it. I'm out of here. Give me a buzz anytime, day or night, 702-629-4755. And as always, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best ways you can do this to help yourselves is to say this every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is? Stops are in. Emotions are out. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I'm a 27-year seasoned trader on and off the trading floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years.